sneezing, running nose, stuffy nose, blocked nose, sometimes breathing difficulties, all either due to acute allergy or chronic allergy. Chronic allergies or acute allergy mainly forms because of dust allergy, pet allergies, climatic changes and low immune status. So this may lead to, in future, if you are not getting properly treated, it will cause chronic sinusitis, nasal polyps, asthma and snoring issues. So you want to get treated with proper diagnosis and investigations. And also you have to improve your natural immunity by proper diet, avoid contacting with the dust, avoid contacting with the cold water and regularly improve your natural immune status.